Nobody prays for rain, but nothing grows without it. We treat hard seasons like they're the enemy, something to escape, something wrong, something that shouldn't be happening to us. But rain was never the problem. Rain is what makes the ground ready to grow something. Every hard season that I've been through, I've hated it while I was in it. The loss, the setback, the version of me that had to break down before it could build back up stronger. In the middle of it, none of it feels like it's actually working for you. It just feels like weather that won't stop. But rain isn't permanent, it passes. And what it leaves behind isn't just mud, it's ground that's actually ready for something to grow. The seasons you wanted to skip are actually the ones that end up growing you the most. You ain't gotta like the rain to trust that it's doing something. You just gotta keep standing through it, knowing that it isn't your forecast for the rest of your life. It's just today's weather. So if you're in a hard season right now, it isn't permanent. It's necessary. Let it do its work. The sun is still coming.